Hello everyone, welcome to iMobie FAQ series, which is designed to help you easily solve various smartphone issues. Today, we'll address some questions you may have about iMobie DroidKit. If you haven't heard of it yet, iMobie DroidKit is an all-in-one toolkit designed specifically for Android users. Whether you've forgotten your screen passcode or stuck on the FRP lock screen, lost data, your phone is lagging, won't turn on, or just want to give your device a fresh new look, iMobie DroidKit can help you solve these problems quickly and securely. What are the main features of iMobie DroidKit? DroidKit is more than just an unlocking tool. It's a one-stop Android device management solution encompassing a variety of practical functions to help you comprehensively manage your phone from system and data to storage. Key features include Screen Unlock, remove PIN, pattern lock, fingerprint, and facial recognition. FRP lock bypass, regain access to your device when you forget your Google account password. System repair, fix issues such as stuck logos, black screens, system crashes, and freezes. Data recovery, recover accidentally deleted photos, text messages, contacts, WhatsApp chat history, etc. Storage cleanup, release cache and useless files for smoother device performance. Data transfer, easily export or import data between your phone and computer. WhatsApp migration, supports transferring chat history between Android and iPhone. In short, DroidKit is a versatile toolkit that gives Android users back control. Does iMobie DroidKit support my device? As long as iMobie DroidKit can recognize your device model and successfully connect, you can use all its features. Recognizing means that the software can detect your device information, system version, etc. Displays available operation options and guides you step by step through the process. What if my phone is older or newer, or my Android system version is the latest? Don't worry. iMobie DroidKit supports most brands and models on the market. As long as the software can recognize and display supported functions, they can be executed safely. Please note, if your device has hardware malfunctions, has been modified, or has severely damaged the system, some functions may be limited or temporarily unsupported. What should I do if the operation freezes or fails during the process? In rare cases, you may encounter situations such as progress stalling, connection interruption, or excessively long processing times. This is usually related to connection status, system version, network stability, or the operation steps. Our recommendation is to contact iMobie customer service immediately. We have a professional technical team that will provide one-on-one guidance based on your situation to help you complete the operation smoothly. What if I try multiple times and still can't succeed? Rest assured, we will continue to assist you in troubleshooting, and if it is ultimately confirmed that the problem cannot be resolved, we also offer a refund. In either case, our goal is the same: to allow you to use iMobie DroidKit with peace of mind and security. How much does it cost? iMobie DroidKit offers several flexible licensing options, allowing you to choose freely based on your usage period and the number of devices. Monthly license, $35.99 per month, suitable for temporary or one-time use. Annual license, $39.99 per year, suitable for long-term users. Lifetime license, $59.99, one-time payment for permanent use and free updates. If I've already purchased an older version, do I need to pay again? No. As long as you maintain your subscription, you can still enjoy updates and services at the original price. We hope this information has been helpful and answered your FAQ about iMobie DroidKit. If you have any further questions, please leave a comment below and our team will reply as soon as possible. We're excited about this tool that makes using Android easier and safer. And don't forget to subscribe to iMobie for more practical Android tips and product information. Thanks for watching. See you next time.